Now today's website is called test.io, and on this website you are going to become a tester. You're going to check out different websites, you're going to rate apps, you can play games, and you can get paid for finding different bugs inside of those games or those websites or apps. So this is a pretty good website because you can earn up to $50 for all the bugs that you find. But not only that, you can also work from basically anywhere that you are in the world. Also, there's the benefit of being the first person to see these new apps that are about to come out, these new websites that are coming out before anyone else has a chance to check them out. So you can have those bragging rights to be like, yeah, I saw this one first. It doesn't take a long time to get started. The whole process should take you about 5 minutes. As you can see right here, it's like you register, you start your first test, you receive your first payment, you'll get more invites, and then you'll kind of level up as you do better at the program. You'll get more offers and you'll be able to earn more money. Scrolling down here, we see that you can meet a few of your fellows. These are just normal people from different walks of life who are trying to become better testers and make a little bit of extra money on the side. And you can, reach out to your fellow workers and get some tips and help from them as well. Moving on to the FAQ over here, we can see how much you can earn, and that is going to be up to $50 for those different bugs that you find. But if you don't find any bugs, you could still make some money by rating different apps. So that's great if you are not really too clever with finding these different bugs. I know that can be very hard for some people to notice those bugs even. So just rating apps could be enough for you to make some extra money. They do pay out just once per month, and that is through PayPal, Payoneer, Skrill, or through a bank transfer. So this that tells me that it is, accepted in many different countries. This is probably not just going to be in the US or Canada, but also you just want to go ahead and apply for it. And if you get the position to test this, or you get the invitations to test these things out, that's great. If not, then you can ask them why, and maybe it's because of the country that you come from. So you just gotta try and try and try again. Like I was saying before, there's the possibility that you won't find any bugs. So if you look here, it says it can be hard at the beginning, but don't worry. Depending on the test, you may have the opportunity to provide feedback, run test cases, or reproduce bugs that other testers have found. It's helpful at the beginning to think of test runs as practice, and you'll improve with more of it. So even though you might not find these bugs at the first onset, there's the opportunity for you to get better at this, and then in the future you can get paid more for these bugs that you'll be able to find a little bit more naturally. And you can read the rest of the FAQ on their sign up page. I'll leave a link to that down in the description below for you. So check that out if you want some more information on this opportunity to make like $50 here and there through testing different things out or rating apps. Now, if you'd like information on something that's going to pay you a little bit more, a lot more money actually, then check the first link in the description below for my #1 make money online method. It's going to take you to a landing page, which is going to sign you up for a free system. And with that free system, you'll be able to earn $1 for every person that you bring into that system, as well as if you upgrade yourself to a pro level, you'll get a bunch of done for you stuff taken care of. So that's all great and dandy. Just click the first link in the description below to get more information on that. And I'll see you guys in the future videos. Peace.